The second segment I'd like to talk to is the foundation garment, because increasingly best practices are requiring that the operator not wear certain types of garments as their undergarments before they don their cleanroom garments. The obvious outs are flannel, are wool, are what's the material? Very soft wool fabric that sheds particles, like a camel hair or a cashmere, okay? Any type of a natural fiber that's not a tight weave is not going to be recommended, all right? Any type of garment that's so loose-fitting that will hold particles is not going to be recommended undergarment. But we're seeing in some very stringent facilities that operators are required, much like in some facilities, operators now have clean room shoes, and we're seeing this as a growing trend. We're also seeing operators in some critical, mostly life science facilities, being required to take their street clothes off and to put on the equivalent of hospital scrubs. So they have their undergarments on, they take their street t-shirt, dress shirt off, they take their slacks off, and they put on hospital scrubs. The hospital scrubs are provided by the facility. These are washed, and so the benefit of having that foundational garment is that there's not so much stress placed on the outer garment because the inner garment's clean, and there's going to be much more consistency. It also prevents the possibility, because there's no pockets in these, there's no places for gum, for makeup, for an operator to not follow rules. So it's more of an engineered solution, basically providing a factory provided scrubs underneath the clean room garments. The other advantage is when you provide operator provided scrubs, you can have less frequency on the reusable garment, right? Because you're providing a clean undergarment every day instead of washing this garment. If it's a non-sterile environment, if it's being washed every 2 days, it can be maybe washed once a week, because that garment's not going to get as dirty because your undergarment is going to capture more of that dirt. Thank you.